Hello students, semester 6 botany honors. This is the plant physiology portion and is the Calvin cycle, C3 cycle or C3 pathway or Calvin-Benson cycle or photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle, PCR in short form, or reductive pentose phosphate cycle, RPP cycle. The Calvin cycle, C3 cycle or PCR cycle can be divided into three stages. First is carbonylation, during which atmospheric carbon dioxide combines with 5 carbon receptor molecules ribulose 1,5-biphosphate and converts it into 3-phosphoglycic acid. 3-phosphoglycic acid is the short form. Second is reduction, with consume ATP plus NADP, which comes from right reaction produced during primary photochemical reaction and converts 3-phosphoglycic acid into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde or triose phosphate. Third is formation of hexose sugar and regeneration of ribulose biphosphate, which consumes additional ATP so that the cycle continues. And this is the outline structure of three stages of Calvin cycle. First is carbonylation, carbon molecules carbon dioxide attached, then phosphoglycic acid form, then this is converted into triose phosphate and with the help of ATP and NADP, and here triose phosphate converted into ribose biphosphate and one molecule ATP add and hexose sugar comes out from this cycle. This stage is called regeneration. First is carbonylation, second is reduction and third is regeneration of ribose biphosphate. And let us we see the one by one process. First is carbonylation. The carbon dioxide is accepted by ribulose 1,5-biphosphate already present in the cells, and 6 carbon additional compound is formed which is unstable. It soon gets hydrolyzed into 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglycic acid. Both the reaction takes place in the presence of ribulose biphosphate carboxylase. This is the enzymes. 3-phosphoglycic acid is the first stable product of dark reaction of photosynthesis. Second is reduction. Here 3-phosphoglycic acid is reduced to 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde by the assimilatory power of the presence of triose phosphate dehydrogenase. Third is formation of hexose sugar and regeneration of ribulose biphosphate. Some of the molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde isomerase into dihydroxytone phosphate, both which then unite in the presence of enzyme aldolase to form fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Then fructose 1,6-biphosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of phosphophytotase. This is the enzymes. Then some of the fructose 6-phosphate hexose sugar is tapped off from the Calvin cycle and is converted into glucose, sucrose and starch. Sucrose is synthesized in cystole and starch is synthesized in chloroplast. Then some of the molecules of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde produced in the step second, instead of forming hexose sugars, are diverted to regenerate ribulose 1,5-biphosphate in the system as follows. First, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde reacts with fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of enzyme trikinoketose to form erythritase 4-pentose. This is the 4 carbon atoms of sugars, and xylose 5-phosphate is the 5 carbon atom sugar. Then atherose 4-phosphate combines with dihydroxytone phosphate in the presence of the enzymes aldolase to form pseudohaptose 1,7 biphosphate. This is the 7 carbon atom sugar. Then pseudohaptose 1,7 biphosphate lose one phosphate group in the presence of phosphatase to form pseudohaptolose 7 phosphate. This pseudohaptolose 7 phosphate reacts with 3 phosphoglyceraldehyde in the presence of transcriptase to form xylulose 5-phosphate and ribulose 5-phosphate. Both are 5 carbon atom sugars. Then xylulose 5-phosphate is converted into another 5 carbon atoms sugar ribulose 5-phosphate in the presence of the enzyme phosphoketopentose isomerase. Then ribose 5-phosphate also converted into ribulose 5-phosphate. The reaction is catalyzed by phosphopentose isomerase. Then ribulose 5-phosphate is finally converted into ribulose 1,5 biphosphate in the presence of phosphopentose kinase and ATP, thus complete the Calvin cycle. And whole cycle is in the cycle form, the Calvin cycle. Here first carbon dioxide absorb 6 carbon atom. This is the first, which is deal in the first column. This is the second stage. This is the third stage. This is the fourth stage, and sucrose is comes out from the cycle, and the sixth stage, and is the 7 stage, the xylulose 5-phosphate, and 8 stage, 9 stage, 10 stage, 11th stage, and then again it restart ribulose biphosphate, and this is the completed the Calvin cycle or C3 cycle. Thank you.